I recently decided to add some color to my apartment patio with bleeding hearts and a peony. They have done absolutely wonderful, and I'm looking to expand. The problem is that I'm a first-time grower. My balcony isn't the largest, and it gets mostly shade and 3 to 4 hours of afternoon sun. Are there any specific flowers or vegetables that I can successfully grow on my balcony? This is Jordan from Memphis, Tennessee. I like that. First time grower. You know, she wants to get involved. I think that's really good. Wants to add some color to her balcony. So can we help?
Yes, absolutely. I just love it when somebody takes up gardening as a hobby.
Yes, yes.
Now, unfortunately, you've got too much shade to grow any vegetables. And really, herbs are going to be tricky in 3 to 4 hours of sun. They really like 6 like your vegetables do. Although you probably can get away with trying some rosemary in pots. But you're going to be growing things in containers, obviously. And you can, there are a wide range of things that you can grow. As far as annuals, you can do coleus. Coleus can take some shade, impatiens, and begonias. And there's just a multitude of different kinds of begonias that you can grow. Your standard begonias, angel wing begonias. You can have lots of fun with begonias. And then as far as perennials, things that you can plant and will come back every year, hostas. And since you're a new gardener, don't panic when they die all the way to the ground. They're going to come back the next year. Heucheras, common name is coral bells. Creeping Jenny for nice little spiller there on the edge of the containers. And you can also try a lot of different cool ferns. So lots of things you can play with.
Lots of things to play with. That's pretty cool. Now I will add this. If you got 4.5 hours or 5 hours of sunlight, there are some vegetables you could try, and they'll be your leafy vegetables. Yeah, your lettuce, you know, your kale, cauliflower, broccoli. If you had just a little bit more sunlight, you can get away with those. Yeah, again, your leafy vegetables.
And those are cool seasons.
And a cool season.
And you want to plant those around Valentine's Day.
That's right, that's right. Glad you pointed that out. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.